Welcome to ROAV Perfect classes. In this video, I am going to discuss about if-else statement. In first program, I am going to find out eligibility of a voter. For this, we take here age variable. Age variable is equal to int, in parenthesis input function, enter your age. And in next line, I am taking here if condition. If for writing if else statement, you have to keep in mind that if should be in small letters, then space, then variable name, age, condition, greater than equal to is a condition. I am here implementing condition that if age is greater than equal to 18, then that voter will be eligible for voting. Else colon, then write print you are not eligible to vote. That means if person is less than 18 years, then that person will not be eligible to vote. So here we use if else condition. If else condition, you should keep in mind if in small letters, else also in small letters. If part is used for true condition. If condition is not true, then else part is execute. And like this, I am taking next program to find out whether entered number is even or odd. For this, I am taking here num variable. Num is equal to int function, and in int function, input function is taken, enter a number. Then implement the condition if num divide by 2. Here for division purpose we use percentage sign, because percentage sign is used for remainder value, or in computer language percentage symbol is also called mod. Num mod 2 equal to 0. Here I am using double equal to sign, because double equal to sign is used for comparison purpose. When we divide number by 2, if remainder value is equal to 0, then print the number is num. Num means that number which you enter will be show here even number. If this condition is false, then else part is executed and show the num is odd number. And in third program, to find out whether entered year is leap or not leap year. You know very well leap years is coming after 4 years. So here I am taking in if condition year divided by 4 is equal to 0, means which year you entered, that year will be divided by 4. If remainder value is equal to 0, then result will be show the year is leap year. Otherwise, if condition is false, then else part will be execute and result will be show the year is not leap year. In fourth program, we find out whether entered number is positive or negative number. For positive or negative number, I am taking here condition if number means num is greater than equal to 0. If your entered number is greater than or equal to 0, then result will be show positive number. If this condition is false, then else part will be executed and this part show the number is negative number. In fifth program, to find out which number is greater number out of two numbers entered by user. For this, here I am taking two numbers, num1 and num2, two variables for entering two numbers. And here I am taking condition that if number 1 is greater than number 2, then result will be show that number 1 is greater number. If num1 is not greater than num2, then else part will be execute and result will be show that number 2 is greater number. In sixth program, to find out which number is smaller number out of two numbers entered by user. For this program, only we will change condition. That condition will be if number 1 is less than number 2, then result will be show num1 is a smaller number, and in else part result will be show num2 is a smaller number. Now I am going to execute these programs. For this I am clicking on F5 key. Then you can see the result. For showing the result, first of all, I have to enter your age, because in first program we have to find out whether voter is eligible or not. Here we take the condition age is greater than equal to 18. If we entered age greater than equal to 18, then result will be show you are eligible, like this. You are eligible to vote. In second program, we have to find out even or odd number. If I entered I am entered 9. This is a odd number. The number is 9. Odd number will be shown here. If we entered a year, I am entering here year 2010. Just I am taking here, this is a random number, and we find out that the year is 2010, not leap year. Now we have to enter a number for finding out whether number is positive or negative. I am taking here negative number. Then result will be show the number is -23, negative number. After this, I am entering two numbers. And we find out the which number is greater number. The number is 78 is the greater number. After this, again I am entering two numbers for finding smaller number. Now result will be show the number is 34, smaller number. These are the outputs of all 6 programs which I am teaching you in this video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to other persons who wants to learn Python in detail. If any problem in your programming, then you can mail which is given in description box for your query. Thank you.